Hyundai and Kia are asking owners of more than 90,000 cars to park them outside because the oil pump can overheat and cause fire.
The federal government just told 3.2 million car owners to stop parking in their garages because their cars can catch fire when turned off, parked, and sitting in the driveway. 36 engine fires, 12 battery explosions, 7 people hospitalized, and park outside recalls jumped nearly 50% in a single week in June 2026 alone. Here's the scary part. Many owners have no idea their car's on this list. Number 14. Toyota RAV4, 2013 to 2018. We're starting with one of America's most trusted SUVs, the Toyota RAV4. Toyota recalled nearly 1.9 million RAV4s from the 2013 through 2018 model years for a fire risk linked to the regular 12-volt battery. If a replacement battery was slightly too small and the hold-down clamp wasn't tightened correctly, the battery could shift, causing a short circuit and potentially a fire. NHTSA confirmed some complaints involved fires while the ignition was completely off. Would you park one inside your garage? Number 13. Hyundai Kona Electric 2019 to 2020. This is a nightmare for EV buyers. NHTSA issued emergency warnings after 13 battery fires erupted globally, and every single one of those vehicles was turned off when it caught fire. The problem involved lithium-ion batteries manufactured by LG Energy Solutions with folded anode tabs causing internal short circuits. Hyundai recalled 82,000 vehicles worldwide and replaced the entire battery. Without proof of battery replacement, you're buying a car the government said was unsafe to park in your garage. Number 12. Kia Soul, 2011 to 2013. The 2011 to 2013 Kia Soul is part of a massive 1.73 million vehicle recall. The anti-lock brake system module can leak brake fluid internally and cause an electrical short, increasing the risk of an engine compartment fire while driving or parked. NHTSA confirmed fires and melting components. Until Kia completes the remedy, owners are instructed to park outside away from homes and structures. Number 11. Kia Seltos and Sportage 2023 to 2024. Number 11 proves this isn't just an old car problem. We're talking brand new gas vehicles. Kia recalled 39,000 vehicles for faulty electric oil pumps. The idle stop-and-go system capacitor can overheat, short circuit, and ignite fires. 6 incidents of melting components were already reported. Some owners are waiting 2 to 3 months for parts. You're making monthly payments on a brand new car, yet you're being told not to park it in your own garage. Number 10. Ram 2500 and 3500 Heavy Duty, 2022 to 2024. This recall hits contractors, farmers, and business owners the hardest. Ram recalled 30,265 Cummins diesel trucks for intake heater grid relay fires. 6 confirmed fires were reported. 5 happened while the engines were running, but 1 happened after the ignition was turned off. 0 warning, 0 indication, just fire. The recall expanded from 2 previous campaigns, raising serious concerns about a long-running fire risk. Number 9. Hyundai Tucson, Palisade, and Sonata 2023. Sime oil pump disaster, 3 different models, 52,000 vehicles affected. Hyundai confirmed 4 incidents of heat damage before issuing warnings. The electronic controller in the oil pump can overheat even when the vehicle is off, creating a fire risk without warning. These were practically brand new vehicles, yet owners received park outside notices before making a full year of payments. 3 model lines. Same dangerous defect. Number 8. BMW 3 Series, X3, X4, Z4, and 5 Series, 2019 to 2022 BMW recalled 196,305 vehicles because a Denso-supplied starter motor relay can corrode, causing electrical shorts, overheating, and fires while driving or parked. Even 469 Toyota Supras were included because they shared the same relay. BMW couldn't identify which vehicles were affected, so they recalled all of them. NHTSA issued a park outside advisory. Number 7. Hyundai Tucson, 2022 to 2024. Trailer wiring fire risk. NHTSA recalled 51,587 Tucson SUVs after discovering dealer-installed tow hitch wiring harnesses were improperly sealed. Water enters the trailer control module, causing electrical shorts and fire risk. 3 confirmed fires were already reported. Even without a trailer attached, the wiring remains active. Hyundai is replacing the wiring harnesses, although parts availability has caused delays. Number 6. Chevrolet Bolt EV and EUV. 2017 to 2022 GM recalled every Bolt produced between 2017 and 2022 after at least 12 battery fires were reported in parked vehicles. 2 manufacturing flaws inside LG battery cells caused internal failures. Owners were instructed to park outside, avoid overnight charging, limit charging to 90%, and keep the vehicle away from structures. The recall severely damaged the Bolt's reputation. Number 5. Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid. 2017 to 2021. Chrysler recalled the Pacifica Hybrid 3 separate times after earlier repairs failed. Additional fires occurred even in vehicles that had already been repaired. Investigators traced the issue to battery cell defects, and the root cause has still not been fully resolved. 3 recalls, failed fixes, and continued fires turn this into one of the most concerning safety issues on the list. Number 4. Jeep Grand Cherokee 4e 2022 to 2026. Stellantis recalled 91,844 Grand Cherokee 4e models because of a high-voltage battery defect linked to Samsung-supplied battery cells. 19 fires were reported across affected Jeep 4Jax models, including at least 1 injury. Earlier, software-based remedies failed, and some fires occurred even after previous recall repairs. Owners were instructed not to charge the vehicle and to park outside until a permanent fix becomes available. Number 3. Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator 2021 to 2025. This recall pushed the national total past 3.2 million vehicles under park outside orders. More than 1 million Jeep Wranglers and Gladiators were recalled after an electrical connection in the power steering pump could overheat and spark a fire. Stellantis instructed owners to park away from structures while a permanent repair was being developed. Number 2. Volvo EX30 2025 to 2026. Volvo recalled certain 2025 EX30 models because microscopic lithium plating inside battery cells could trigger internal short circuits and increase the risk of fire. Owners were told to park outside, limit charging to 70%, and wait for a permanent fix. Even though only a small number of vehicles were affected in the US, the warning came just weeks after delivery. Number 1. Jeep Wrangler 4xe 2020 to 2025. The number 1 spot goes to the Jeep Wrangler 4X because it faced 2 separate fire risks. One involved Samsung SDI battery defects that could cause fires while parked or driving. The second involved engine blocks that may not have been properly cleaned after casting, allowing debris to restrict oil flow, destroy the engine, and potentially start a fire. Owners were instructed not to charge the vehicle and to park away from structures. If you own any vehicle on this list, check your VIN at nhtsa.gov to recalls immediately. If there is a parking warning, follow it and contact your dealer as soon as possible because parts may be limited. If you're buying a used vehicle, always verify that every recall repair has been completed. Share this video because it could save someone's home. And if you enjoyed the content, smash that like button, subscribe for more auto content, and thanks for watching.